It's going.
Alright, we're ready. Count us down.
3, 2, 1.
She cheated.
I won. Oh! There she got through the jazz.
Alright, get up.
Again.
Do it again. Hey, we need some pudding or something.
Need what?
Pudding or jello.
Yes.
You can take the glasses off to get back up there, Chesley.
Oh, you take them off.
Wow. Go.
Go. It's amazing that like drawing.
Give me hit her face.
Poker. Keep going. Don't stop.
This is not safe. I could have been all over.
Don't stop.
I could have been all over.
Wow.
You get nauseous with these things. I know.
That's what happens when you get drunk. That's why you shouldn't drink and drive.
Drink.
Or drinking jazz.
Or drink and joust.
I think that was enough. Yeah.
Do you two have any commentary?
I think it was a valiant fight, and it was very evenly matched.
What do you think won? I still feel messed up.
Cynthia was fighting dirty.
No, Chelsea got a face hit.
Cynthia was jousting
She was
dirty.
not about to choke out.
And cut.